Hey guys, Dr. Oscar here with Revolution Health Center. Today I wanted to go over 3 tips that I like to give for people that are going to be traveling distances and are concerned about their low back and having it flare up and get irritated on the drive. That'll actually, keep them from, say, having a good time on vacation down in Florida. So the first tip is to create a little bit of support for your lumbar spine. And an easy way to do that is to grab a towel, roll it up, and place it just above your waist right in here into your lumbar spine, so that as you're driving we induce what's called a lordotic curve into your lumbar spine, a forward-facing curve that actually starts to draw your shoulders back over your hips, your head back over your shoulders, and allows you to have a great posture for the drive so you don't wear out those muscles, so you don't irritate those nerves in your lumbar spine that can get inflamed for the duration of the trip. Second tip, and this is a real simple one, and it's surprising how well effective it is to scoot your chair a little bit closer to the steering wheel. A lot of times what happens is as we're driving, we're reaching out to the pedals, tucking our tailbone under, creating a lot of tension on the sciatic nerve that runs down your leg. And by just scooting your chair forward just a little bit, it takes a lot of tension off your lumbar spine, off your hips, allowing for a more comfortable drive. And the third thing, and I do this myself, is to get rid of fat back pocket wallets. And what I recommend doing is switching to a front pocket wallet, so a real thin wallet like this. So if you think about it, if you got a big fat wallet and you're sitting on it for 7 hours at a time, that's tipping your pelvis, and you're in a continual state of fighting that, of trying to compensate for this pelvic unleveling, and that creates a lot of stress and tension into the lumbar spine and into the nerves coming out of your back and into your legs. So by having a front pocket wallet, it also helps kind of narrow things down to what you actually need. You can carry this in your front pocket, not have that stress and tension on your lumbar spine, and have a more comfortable drive. I use this as well. You can get it on Amazon for real cheap, $12, $10, and it's all that you'll need. I've been able to adjust all day with this and not even notice it in my front pocket, and it works out great. So those are the 3 tips that I give to people that are going to be traveling and driving for a while and are concerned about having their low back flare up. If this is something that makes sense to you, like it below, or share it with somebody who might be traveling or might need a little bit of some tips on how to best support their lumbar spine for travel. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.